Hi and welcome back to another video of Medic Notes. This video is on cerebral abscess. For introduction, cerebral abscesses usually develop following focal inflammation of the brain parenchyma. They usually occur as a result of direct spread of infection from sepsis in the middle ear or paranasal sinuses. Septic cerebral sinus thrombosis, due to spread of infection from the mastoid or middle ear, via the sigmoid sinus. Blood-borne infection, for example from infective endocarditis or bronchiectasis. In immunocompromised patients, abscesses may be caused by fungal or protozoal organisms. Or it can be also due to trauma, following open skull fractures. For its common sites, abscesses may occur at preferential sites according to their etiology. Temporal lobe or cerebellum from otitis media. Frontal lobe from paranasal sinuses. Or parietal lobe from hematogenous spread. The complications of cerebral abscesses include meningitis, intracranial herniation, focal neurological deficit, and even epilepsy. That's all for this video. Thank you.